Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming you control the carrier account and the device. Log into your carrier portal or have the account number and PIN visible. This proves ownership and lets you request an ESIM. Once done, make sure your phone is on Wi-Fi and charged above 30% so downloads won't fail. Also retrieve the IMEI or Made Now. You'll need it to bind the ESIM to this device. These steps avoid delays and verification rejections. Next, request a replacement ESIM from your carrier. Call support or open their app and ask for a new ESIM profile tied to your plan and phone number. Give them the IMEI you collected. Once they create the profile, they'll offer a QR code or push activation. Choose remote push if available to avoid scanning. Make sure to accept any carrier messages and stay on Wi-Fi. The carrier's server will push the profile to your device, and the phone will show a provisioning prompt when ready. Finally, add the ESIM profile on your device by going to Settings, Cellular, and add ESIM, then either accept the carrier push or scan the QR code they gave you. Once the profile installs, restart the phone to finalize network registration, and then verify calls, SMS, and data work. If the line remains inactive, contact the carrier and ask them to re-push the profile, confirm the IMEI they have matches yours, and check that your account shows the new ESIM as active. That single troubleshooting step solves most problems.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.